Hello, I am Gajanan Namdev Savali. Today's date is 1st December 2021. Today's our discussion topic is sort technique and sort technique with time complexity and space complexity. In today's video tutorial, we can see the what is sort methods or sorting technique and time complexity and space complexity for the sort technique. First one we can see the sort. What is the sort technique? The sort is the process in which we can arrange the element of array in a logical way. That means it is arranged in ascending or descending order. Uh, when we can take the alphabetic numeric value, this can be arranged in a dictionary way. Let's say example when we can take the array is a is equal to a1 a2 a3. This is the arranged in a ascending way. The types of sorting technique. First one is first one is selection sorting. Second bubble. Third one is insertion sorting, merge sorting, cell sorting, quick sorting, bucket sorting. There are various types of sorting. First one is selection sorting. The selection sorting is the combination of searching and sorting. That means swapping. First one we can searching the minimum elements in array, and this can be swapped with the first element and first index element of array. For ascending order, we can search the minimum number, and for descending order, we can search the maximum number. When the searching number is minimum, this for descending, this can be swapped with the first element of array, and this can be done with the next iteration for unsorted element. Second is the time complexity for the selection sorting. The first one is a best case complexity. Then in this we cannot it occur when the array is already sorted, and that means there is no requirement of sorting. Second one is average time complexity. It is occurred when array is arranged in a jumbled way, means it is mixed and not in ascending order or not in descending order. That time occurs the average time complexity. And third one is worst complexity. It is occurs when we can require arrange the array in descending or ascending order. What is time complexity? Time complexity means the time required for the execution of program, and space complexity is the memory space required for the program execution. Second is a bubble sorting. Bubble sorting is the works based on the repeatedly swapping. Third one is the insertion sorting. Insertion sorting is work based on the playing like card. When we can choose one card, and this can be placed our card in ascending or descending order. Thank you.